There was a part that never got published in The Power of Now. Eckhart Tolle, in the middle of his writing, wrote a surprising sentence. There is a black hole at the center of every galaxy. The editor stopped him immediately. That cannot go in the book, he told him. People will argue with you. How can you know something like that if you are not an astronomer? Better we remove it. And so it was. That sentence was censored. Curiously, some years later, scientists began to confirm the same thing, that at the center of each galaxy there is indeed a black hole. How did he know? Not through science, but through inner experience. Because by looking inward, he discovered that same emptiness within himself. That emptiness is not a flaw or an absence. It is spaciousness. It is formless life. It is the origin. The human being is a microcosm of the universe. Everything we see outside is also within us. Therefore, understanding yourself deeply is also a way to understand reality. And today, humanity is going through a crucial moment, transcending the prison of incessant thought and regaining the connection with being. That origin is not lost in a distant past, not even in the Big Bang. The origin is timeless. It remains here. That primordial space lives in each of us, in this moment. Nature can help us remember it. If you walk through a forest, if you gaze at the sea, if you look at the starry sky, something opens up. The mind stops. Thought lowers its volume, and in its place appears alertness, expansiveness, presence. There is no tension. There is no effort, only pure perception. It is in those moments when the illusion of separation disappears. You are no longer you looking at a tree or you looking at a flower. You are part of the same life that contemplates itself through your eyes. That silent connection is what we never lost, although it is often hidden by mental noise. And when you recognize it, even if only for a few seconds, something profound changes in you. Then, it was censored in the book, was not just a sentence about black holes. It was a symbol, a clue, a metaphor for what every human being can discover within themselves. The same mystery that holds entire galaxies also sustains your consciousness. And accessing that inner vastness is much more important than any achievement in the external world. Because in that silence is the origin, in that spaciousness is the eternal, and in that emptiness is the fullness.